Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. All right, guys, so real quick, I get asked a lot about how can I, download my images from Midjourney. In Midjourney, there is no download ability, but what you can do is you can save as, which will get you the same thing. So when you're in Midjourney and you have your images generated, you just click the image and then you right click and save image as. And when you do that, it's going to ask you where do you want to save them, and you can name the file whatever you want to, and it's going to save it as a PNG. And then you just click save. Now, I also get asked, how can I split my images up, or why can't I get them separated? Well, one way you can get them separated is you can upscale. If you upscale an image, it's going to give you only that image. Okay. Another thing you can do is you can actually go into Promptomania. Hold on one second here. You can actually go to Promptomania, and it will also allow you to split images. So you can upload those 4 images that you save to your computer, and then it'll give you 4 individual images here. Now, a lot of people say that the images come in super, super large. I'm just giving you another option. Okay, so Promptomania is one way that you can do it. So if I go here and I click on this 4 set here and click open, I have it for number of rows 2, number of columns 2, and you can see I have 4 separate images here now. And all I have to do is right click and say save image as, save image as, save image as, and it'll give me 4 separate images. Another thing that you can do when you're in Midjourney, when the Midjourney bot responds to you with your images, what you can do is right click and you can add a reaction. Now, you probably won't have this envelope in your initial reactions until you use it. So what you can do is after you select add reaction, you're going to come here and select other reactions, and you're going to type in envelope. Now mine is already showing, so that's why you see it in mine. And then once you type in envelope in the search field, you're going to click this envelope, and it's going to put envelope and a 1. Okay. Now, to see your 4 separate images, you're going to have to go here to the inbox in the top right corner. And when you click on that, this is where those 4 images will then show up. So there's the 4 images right there. And you could just right click, save image as, right click, save image as. So that is how you can get your images separated. You have to respond to the bot with the envelope. Now, when I generate 4 images, and it's still going to come in 4s. All right. So once images return. And all I have to do if I want to get 4 images, right click. Now your envelope should be in your list of prompts because you've used it. And then you're going to go here to your inbox and scroll down. And there's your 4 images. Okay, so that's the only way that I know of that you can split your images directly inside Midjourney. Otherwise, like I said, you can use this promptomania.com, which is a grid splitter that will also separate your images, but they will come in larger, okay, when you save them this way. So that's the only 2 ways, guys, that I know on how to split your images. If someone knows anything differently, then please chime in the comments. All right. All right, guys, I want to thank you so much for those that are in my Facebook group, Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. Thank you guys for the love and support you show via my Facebook group. If you would like to join my Facebook group, just send a Facebook group request to Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters, and my group is linked in the description of this tutorial. And for those of you that are currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you guys so much for the love and support via YouTube. If you're seeing my tutorials for the first time and you like my method of teaching, I have over 400 tutorials and I have crafting tutorials. I'm not an artist, even though I'm doing digital art now, I'm not an artist. I am a crafter, but if crafting is a thing that you're interested in, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where again, I have over 400 tutorials on all types of crafting projects. All right. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. And as always, you know, my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have an amazing day.